How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So first of all, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply or how you can do this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States, then click on search states and click on search to see the country and zoom in on the country, and here you will be able to see all of the states and the cities. And here, zoom in on a state or a particular city. For example, let's zoom in on Pennsylvania. So here, let's zoom in on Pennsylvania and let's choose a city in here. For example, let's choose St. Mary's. Let's zoom in on this city or this town, then go to the search again and let's type some kind of a small business. For example, you can choose auto repair or gyms or hair salon or plumber, for example. So here we can choose plumber and click on search, and here you can see all of the results. But before diving into checking their profiles and seeing what are the services that we can offer them, first I'm going to show you the services that the main three services that we are going to offer those business owners. So the first one is the website creation or renovation. If they already have a website, we are going to check if it's up to date. If it's old, we are going to renovate that for them. And if they don't have one, we are going to offer to create one for them. And the second service is bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their profile in Google Maps to see if they have a 1-star review or a 2-star review, and then we are going to send them a message about offering our service, which is removing that bad review. And the third service is managing their social media accounts. So we are going to check their social media accounts to see if there is someone managing their social media for them or not. So here, let's start with the first profile in here, Newell's Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. So let's check their profile, and here you can see that they are HVAC contractors and they have 86 reviews. And here we have their website, and let's wait for it to load. So this is their website. It looks a little bit up to date, even though it's not that very up to date. It has a lot. It's really up to date, an up-to-dated website. You can see that they have a lot of new things in here, a lot of designs and 2 colors. They even have a video in their website. It's from the owners, I guess. It's from the owners, as you can see in here, Steve and Shirley Newell. They are a wife and a husband. So this is their business. So here it seems like they won't need any renovation for their website. So let's scroll down to see if we can offer them the second service, which is removing these bad reviews for them. So here they have a little bit of 3 to 1 star reviews. So let's scroll down to find those bad reviews, and then we're going to take a screenshot of those bad reviews and use them later on when we talk with the business owners in order to convince them to purchase our service. So let's scroll down to find those bad reviews. Here it is. We have the first one. I had them out today to replace a main line to the sewer. Despite all utilities painting and flagging where all lines were, their guys decided they knew better and started digging 4 feet away from where lines were marked. After 1 hour of going into and out of my cellar 5 times, after another 2 hours of digging 6 feet deep, they found the lines right where they were. They were painted by utility companies originally, wasting a solid 3 hours. When owner called to ask how things went, I informed him and was told, "I'm not arguing with you." Gave them another chance after a bad review and nothing has changed. Steer clear. So this is a bad review from this client, and it's just from 3 weeks ago. It's still in your review, and it's giving bad reputation to the business and the staff as well. So let's see the response from the owner. "We are truly sorry to hear about your experience and the inconvenience this has caused you, James. We understand your frustration and appreciate you bringing this to our attention. Please feel free to reach out to us via text or call so we can further address and assist with this matter. The white line is within the area of digging. We gave a bid and will not charge more. The crew did a perfect job." So the owners wouldn't say that it was not a mistake and it was not a bad service, but the client always right, as they say. So even though the owner tried to defend themselves, but it's still a win for us. We can use this bad review to convince the owners to purchase our service, and I'm sure we can find other bad reviews like this one. The work was done professionally. The painting left a lot to be desired. The insurance company that I had was never billed for any hours except the company's travel to my home. I paid the rest minus a small adjustment out of my pocket. Work great, painting bad. So that's another bad review, and here we have another one. So they have a lot of bad reviews that we can use in order to convince them to purchase our service. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill. You will just need to land the client. Then go to fiverr.com, and you will be able to find freelancers in here that are willing to deliver the service of removing bad reviews or creating a website to your clients for a small portion of the money that you will get. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.